Your skin only gets attention when your crush is suddenly online. Otherwise, zero care. Today, I'm sharing 12 DIY face masks, including some inspired by celebrity glow-up routines that everyone is obsessed with. Number 1. Honey and Turmeric Mask. Mix honey with a pinch of turmeric. Leave it on for 10 minutes, about as long as you leave your crush on red. Rinse off and glow so hard, people will think you're wearing a filter. Number 2. Yogurt plus honey mask. Mix yogurt with honey. Leave it for 15 minutes. The same 15 minutes you said you'd be ready in before you took an hour. Skin gets soft? That's more than we can say for your time management. 3. Oatmeal plus milk mask. Blend oats with a little milk into a paste. 10 minutes on. Gentle exfoliation. Kind of like how you gently bottle up your feelings instead of texting first. Skin stays calm either way. 4. Aloe vera gel mask. Apply fresh aloe straight on. 15 minutes. Redness disappears, just like your memory of that one embarrassing text. Until it randomly resurfaces at 2 a.m. 5. Rice flour plus milk mask. Mix rice flour with milk into a paste. 15 minutes on. Texture upgrades instantly, like your mood after the first sip of coffee. 6. Banana plus honey mask. Mash half a banana with honey. 15 minutes. Skin gets moisturized and soft, kind of like how smooth your excuses get every single time. 7. Cucumber plus yogurt mask. Blend cucumber, mix with yogurt, 15 minutes on. Cools down puffy, tired skin. The same relief you feel after finally muting your ex. 8. Coffee and honey mask. Mix coffee and honey, massage for a minute, leave on for 10. Dead skin disappears just as fast as you block people after one bad text. 9. Graham flour plus yogurt mask. Mix graham flour with yogurt till smooth. 15 minutes. Removes excess oil. Vanishes faster than your motivation the night before an exam. 10. Tomato and honey mask. Mix tomato pulp with honey. 10 minutes on. Brightens dull skin. Finally, something in your life is glowing, even if your situationship isn't. 11. Potato juice mask. Apply fresh potato juice with a cotton pad. 15 minutes. Fades dark spots over time, just like how old messages slowly fade from your memory. Eventually. 12. Green tea plus honey mask. Mix cooled green tea with honey. 15 minutes on. Refreshes skin with antioxidants. Proof your skincare routine is finally doing something useful. That's 12 masks, all sitting in your kitchen, all free. So if your skin's still dull, that's officially a you problem now. Comment which one you're trying tonight, and maybe, just maybe, next time your crush pops up online, your skin shows up before your personality does.